Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to remove the door card on a Mark II Scirocco. There's one step that's already been done on this just because there's a bit of missing plastic here. But basically this piece you just slide back and it pulls right out. But anyway, I'm going to be showing the rest of the process and go from there. So first things first, you're going to want to peel back the plastic shroud of your crank windows if you have them. Otherwise, I believe you can just pop them out with the trim tool if you have the electric ones, and then disconnect them. Pull this off of that little gear now. Little washer piece comes out. Hold on to that, of course. On the side here, there are little caps, at least on mine, but these are just Phillips, just like the one for the crank window handle. Pull those out. Using my nails for that. I'd be worried of breaking it with pliers or something if that was your approach, but if you don't want them, I suppose you don't need them. Did not know that they were even there until I tried to do this on the other side. Of course, unscrew this. These seem to take a while to come out for some reason. Just go counterclockwise though. Alright, got another Phillips right up here. This one's really long. Don't take it all the way out of the door card. You're just making it come out of the other end of it. Oh, I guess this one came all the way out. There's a little plastic, like tube, at least there was on the other side. The next one is down here on the inside. That door, not an easy place to reach a camera. Alright, so on the handle, there's this little tab here, and you can take a screwdriver, put it behind there. This one's kind of a pain to get out, just because you have to put like no pressure on it as you're pulling it out so that it actually comes out all the way. Like no pressure from the screwdriver handle. You can pull on the handle itself a little bit, but on the other side, when I first tried doing this, it just constantly seemed to get pushed right back in, and it was a bit of a pain because of that, but this is definitely the better way to do it. And then this has a little pin at the top, so you slide that in, and that's how it lines up there. Bolt pass through. All that good stuff. Alright, so there are tabs along the bottom. It's pretty easy to feel them. Mine seem to be most of the way out. That pretty much just slides. There's more tabs along the top. You kind of just have to pull it out and try to be mindful of the lock. Make sure not to just push too hard on that. So it's a little bit of up. Oh, the cap to my mirror adjustment just fell off. That I'm just going to recess back into. Okay, so this is where it's getting caught on those clips. And I had a bit of trouble with this on the other side. Pull up and away just a little bit. And there you go. Okay, so that actually makes more sense. Unplug the speaker wire, for sure. So I'm gonna maybe have to check and see if I did something wrong on the other side. So this rubberized piece is actually where the clips are held in. The other side doesn't seem to have this rubberized piece anymore, but maybe it's sitting around somewhere. And I just pulled it out, assuming it was something else. But anyway, that's how to take the door card off. The one nice thing about the speaker connections is that they are keyed differently, so you can't mix that up putting them back on. So anyway, I'm going to clean all this and dynamat it and make sure that I get everything out that might be sitting back here, just to reduce some of the cabin rattle. So anyway, I hope that this was informative.